you launched Glean Agents. This is a super exciting AI-powered search engine for the enterprise workspace. So tell us, Arvind, you come from IIT Delhi, then your stint at Akamai, Google, and then Rubrik, and now at Glean. Who is Arvind Jain? Who is the person who's creating these waves?
Well, that's me. As you said, I actually went to IIT Delhi. Studied computer science there, and then I went to University of Washington to get my PhD, which I never really completed. And then I've been in the tech industry for the last 27 years. Many startups, like one after other. Glean is the fifth startup that I'm working at.
Wow.
And I just love, the chance, that we get to build, fantastic products, solve technical challenging problems. So yeah, really excited to be here.
Wonderful. So Arvind, I was listening to some of your interviews. You have manifested your dream of becoming a founder. How did that happen? Here you are at Akamai. You were instrumental in starting Google India, one of the largest companies running the show today on the internet. And what was the moment where you decided to make the plunge? Like you're ready. How did that moment happen?
Well, so when I think at IIT, there's this spirit of entrepreneurism, that's, we had it even 25, 30 years back. And so I always wanted to be an entrepreneur, build a company, and I think maybe mostly that motivation was coming from, they were flashy, you sort of wanted to be like them. And but I actually felt that I had to actually learn how to do things. I really didn't feel that I know how to code, how to build systems, how to talk to people. And so I joined my first company, that was Microsoft in '97. And then after that I started to work at startups like Akamai and Riverbed, and then Google. Google was a startup when I joined, as well as then starting Rubrik and Glean. I had that desire when I started my career, but I actually didn't start a company. The closest I got to was being part of the founding team at Riverbed. And over the years, that desire was no longer as strong, for me. I forgot about it, essentially. I was enjoying my career at Google, getting the chance to build really amazing products like Google Search, Maps, YouTube, and so my journey into starting Rubrik was largely accidental, in the sense that there's a friend of mine, he wanted to start a company, and he wanted to start it with somebody else, as a partner, and so he came to me, Bipul, who's the CEO of Rubrik, and says, let's start a company together. And I didn't really know what he wanted to do, he said he wanted to do something in enterprise software, and I said that's not what I do, I'm building consumer products. But of course we knew each other for a long time, and I believed in his capability to lead the startup and make it successful. So we just got together and with our other co-founders, and that's how Rubrik got started. So it's ironic, we started that when I was not looking to start, when I wanted to start, and I didn't start companies.
Wonderful. No, that's an incredible journey. Here you are in the seat of the CEO. How does it feel? This is your company, you're running the show. Do you feel like there are new challenges which you are learning on the go? And obviously you have not short of startup experience, but your structured thinking which got you here, from the IIT days, how did that whole journey evolve? You are the CEO of Glean, and it's a different experience.
Yeah, being a CEO is a very, very different job. Yep. But as such, I'll tell you, every job that I've had, you always have to learn new things, and you better have that challenge. If there's nothing new to learn, then you'll be bored.
Yeah.
And I don't want to be in that situation. So I am embracing this challenge of doing many things that I've never done before. Most of my career, I've been an engineer. I build systems. I write code. Sometimes I manage teams, and so being a CEO, of course, has a very, very wide range of tasks that you have to think about, and so I like that. It's been a great experience. It's been 6 years, and I've learned a lot. I made a lot of mistakes, learning from those mistakes as well. And but I think it's we are fortunate to be in this time today where AI is such a big thing. It's there's the potential of this technology to change our world, how we live, how we play, how we work. It's just mind-boggling. To have this amazing technology platform available to us. So it's exciting times for Glean. We're building great products, we're making success, and it's it feels we feel very, very proud to be one of the most important enterprise AI companies out there.